What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with a unbox this time. Like I said a few videos back, I ordered the Oster Cordless 76. Of course, I have the clipper in my possession. The question is, let me move the camera back a little. Boom. Alright, the question is the clipper worth the price? I spent $289.99. I purchased it from Atlanta Barber and Beauty Supply in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, the question is the clipper worth the price? I received the clipper yesterday. You know, I wait around until I have some free time to do that review. Anyway, I'm gonna compare. My goal is to compare. This investment with that investment with this investment. You know, for every clipper that you have, it's always, you know, another one that you compare it with. That's just the way I do it. I don't know about you, but that's just the way I do it. I'm going to compare it and result. Is it compatible to the Oster Act 10? And I'll decide from there whether or not it's worth the money. I'm going to unbox the clipper. I'm sure you probably saw quite a few unboxed already, but this is the Barber Illuminati's unbox. If you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe. As you already know, this channel is All Detachable Blade Factory. It'll be to your benefit to subscribe. What else? As you already know, the Barber Illuminati is back. I've been recording regularly. What else? And I'm looking forward to do, you know, a haircut, all detachable blade haircut with the Cordless 76'S, you know? What else? By the way, the Oster Act 10 is currently my favorite cordless all detachable blade clipper. When I did a review on this clipper, I think I did the review prematurely. I did not judge the clipper correctly. Therefore, this clipper right here is my favorite. Out of all the detachable blade clippers out there, even though I prefer Indy's blade, as you can see, I have Indy's blade in the Oster clipper. I prefer Indy's blade in comparison to Oster blades. However, this Oster clipper here is popular and also does good work. They're not paying me yet, so I just got to keep using this clipper until they pay me. What else? What is new in the Barber Illuminati's life? Nothing really. Just doing my thing all day long, every day. Alright, let's get on to the unboxing. I know this is nothing new to you. You've done seen a bunch of, you saw this clip already numerous times. A bunch of unbox. Hey, wait a minute. Let me pause right there. How are you gonna unbox the Oster Act 10, doing reviews and all, and you don't do all detachable blades haircuts? I have a problem with that. You know, how are you gonna buy, you know, an expensive clipper like this? You unbox it, have all kinds of opinions, and you don't do all detachable blade haircuts. What's going on? You know. Now, the viewers, I want you guys to comment on that statement I just made. Now, a lot of people online, on YouTube especially, are pretending to be all blade people, but they are not. They are not affiliated with the Barber Illuminati. They're not even my subscribers. So what's going on? You cannot do an all clipper review on all detachable blade clippers when you don't do all detachable blade clippers. I have a problem with that. But anyway, It's about time I start some drama on YouTube. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this clipper here. It's nothing new to you. But anyway, I'm gonna adjust the camera. I'm gonna sit the box on my lap and see if I can do this thing successfully. Boom. Yep. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois, and we are not hard to find. All right, quickly. I'm gonna make this video nice and brief. As usual, manual we're never gonna read. This is the actual clipper. Oh, did you see that? YouTube, did you see that? Oh, somebody wanted to surprise me. Wow, I like that. Somebody wanted to surprise me. Wow, I like that. Wow. All right, that's impressive enough. Keep them coming. Wow. Is there any more? Okay, I think that's about it. All right, you guys been listening. You guys been listening. You see, doing my unbox, they sent me, you know, I appreciate that. Whoever you are, next time you send me a check. It's not safe to have a whole bunch of, you know what, here. Thank you. All right, YouTube, as you can see, my unbox has been disturbed. I'm gonna have to terminate the video right now. I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping. I'm sorry. I have to stop the video right now to count how much they sent me, and we'll take it from there. You know, that's how you do it. But I prefer a check. Thank you. All right. This is a Barber Illuminati production. That's a big surprise. Or a little surprise. I don't know. I don't know how much is on the way. But anyway, I don't know how much it is. I'm going to have to stop the video and count it. Then we'll take it from there. I will update you guys on, you know. All right. I got to go. I got to go. I got to go.